problem? The dirty stainless steel. It's not the dirty stainless steel that's the problem. It's the dirty stainless steel that makes the mom have a mom tantrum. That's the problem. Not in my house! The solution to the mom tantrum? Easy, the Norwex stainless steel cloth. This two-sided cloth and water is all that you need to clean off the prints, the marks, the drips, the spatters, the smears, all of it from your stainless steel appliances. Yeah, 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 yeah. One side has a zigzag pattern to help you get rid of all of the dirt. And then flip it and you have a soft suede-like side to help polish up and make it a nice, beautiful streak-free shine. Simply get your cloth wet and start polishing. Oh look, my arch nemesis, the stainless steel dishwasher. I don't know about your stainless steel appliances, but in my house, the dishwasher is the absolute most impossible stainless steel appliance to clean. I could never find anything to actually polish the front of it. Drove me so crazy! But not anymore. While you're at it, there's no reason why you can't clean off spatters on other surfaces like your drawers and the dust and all the dirt that gets on all the things all the time. There's also a bonus to this cloth, that it's removing 99% of all bacteria from the surface as well while you clean. And it holds it within this cloth. No cross-contamination, no disinfectant needed, no disinfectant wipes needed. When you're done using the cloth, you're gonna rinse it out, hang it up, and then keep on using it until it's heavily soiled. Once it gets heavily soiled, throw it in the washing machine. Simply avoid bleach, dryer sheets, and fabric softener. It has a 2-year warranty. It's gonna last you for years. It's gonna bring your sanity back. Ooh! Less time on tantrums, more time on dancing.